Hi there everyone, welcome to this tutorial for the ukulele play-along of The Cheese Tax, a fun sort of kid song that was performed by Matthew Hobbs. What we're going to do in this video is, first of all, we'll look at the chords you need for GCEA soprano concert or tenor ukulele, then we'll look at the chords you need for DGBE ukulele, and then we'll talk about strumming. If you want to support the work on this channel, there are three things you can do. First of all, you can like the video. Second, you can subscribe to the channel. And third, you can always buy me a cup of coffee to say thank you for making this content at www.buymeacoffee.com/UkeStuff. I have some other things for sale at the Buy Me a Coffee page. And in addition, I do have two chord melody books, a book of Christmas carols and a book of hymns for sale there. You can also buy those books on the Apple Bookstore and Amazon Kindle or directly in paper from Amazon directly. All right, let's begin with the chords that you need for GCEA soprano concert or tenor ukulele. I'll be using this instrument. This is my Aklot bamboo concert ukulele. The first chord is the G minor chord. The next chord you need is the D7 chord. And then the final chord you need is the C minor chord. And those are the three chords you need to play the cheese tax on soprano, concert, or tenor ukulele. All right, for baritone, let's take a look at the three chords you need. First of all, you need the G minor chord. Now, you would typically play the G minor chord with a partial bar chord, but because we're going to the D7 so much, I think what I would do is I would play like the D7, but do it on the 3rd fret. And then you can stretch down to the D7 and then compress back to the G minor. I think that's going to work better. You do have to reset for the C minor, but I think that's the better solution here. So G minor, then D7, and then the C minor chord right there. And if you're having trouble with the C minor, put down these two fingers first, and then add the pinky. And those are the three chords you need to play the cheese tax on baritone DGBE ukulele. Now, as it comes to strumming, please let me remind you of the three rules of strumming. First of all, play the right chord at the right time. Second, keep a steady tempo. And third, make sure that whatever you strum or pick matches the style of the song. If those all line up, you're right. There is not one single right answer here, just like there isn't in most songs. The number one question on the Uke Play-Alongs channel is, what's the strumming pattern? And the answer is whatever you make it, as long as it meets those three criteria. So please do keep that in mind. And if anybody tells you there's a singular right pattern, ignore them. Now, I will give you a suggestion here, and that's what we're about to do, but I just want to make sure that you're really clear that there's not a singular right answer here. Now, what I am hearing is a pretty simple pattern that works for a whole song, which is down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down. Works really well. So it's just down, down, up, down. I'm going to speed up, so let's go slow. I'm speeding up. D7. Back. And if you notice, I try to keep my hand moving all the time. Let's take a look at it too on baritone DGBE ukulele. So let me just show you on baritone, again, using that sort of hack of the D7 shape for the G minor chord. Down, down, up, down. I think that's going to be easier than doing a big adjustment with that partial bar chord. I mean, you can do it, but it's just more fluid. All right, so thanks so much for joining me for this tutorial video for the cheese tax, which is on the Uke Play-Alongs channel, the sister channel of this channel. I hope you're having a great day, and I'll be back soon with some more Uke stuff for you.